This is the next phase of our project to put a garden bed in on the side of our yard. We have gone out and rented a tiller, and now we're going to begin to till just to get the remaining grass that the sod cutter didn't get. And then I think we're going to lay landscape fabric since we're not going to be doing a lot of in-ground planting. Not the easiest thing to use, is it? Looks like it's going to be quite the workout. Like shaking his whole body. It's funny that it doesn't go forward very well. Oh, there it goes. Oh. Huh? He said, stop bouncing. I'm not sure what's in this soil, but the smell reminds me of the ocean. The smell of seawater. Isn't that weird? I don't know why I smell that. Maybe the mineral content smells like that. More cyclists coming. Or is it them again? Oh, so they're just going around in a circle? Well, if there were any earthworms left, I'm sure those robins got them all because I have not seen one. Oh boy, I just found me some Bermuda grass. It's not very far into the bed, but I wonder if it's going to find its way to the edge where it can then grow out from under the landscape fabric and then turn around and grow on top of the mulch and root in. Because Bermuda grass, that's how it is. It's just a misbehaving type of grass. It just won't play nice with you and what you want to do in your garden, in my opinion. I'm not a fan of Bermuda grass. I like the St. Augustine because the leaf is so much thicker and bolder, and so the grass looks more plush, where I feel like Bermuda grass gets real faded in color. It's not like glossy green like the St. Augustine is. So I like the St. Augustine.
All right, so I've come to the conclusion Most Americans don't want to do this kind of work. But Carrie just reminded me, this is a couple hours of work, and then she's going to tell you the rest.
Well, it makes it worth it when you eat your own cantaloupe, and you can eat of your own tomatoes and squash and peppers, zucchini, and have a whole raised bed of strawberries growing.
Some fresh strawberries.
Yeah, we have like
plant out back is producing about 3 a week.
That's only because we have 3 plants.
Yeah, and she don't get none of them, so I just go out there and eat them.
Him and the birds and the snails, the slugs. Yeah.
It's worth it.
Yeah, it will be worth it. That's what you gotta keep telling yourself. Like, we've never grown a big garden.
Hard work, but I think it's gonna be worth it.
Yeah, I think so too. Fresh donuts. All I smell is like seawater. The soil smells. He thinks he smells someone making donuts. Let's see. Let me see what you're smelling.
Cooking breakfast.
Oh yeah, it kind of smells like maybe pancakes, maybe donuts.
Right, pancakes.
Yummy.
We're not eating that kind of stuff.
Oh yeah, we're doing a paleo diet right now, so there's no carbs, no breads, no pastries, just fruits and vegetable carbs. But anyway, so yeah, all that probably smells really good to us right now. We probably can smell it better than we could if we were eating this stuff. How much weight have you lost since you started your paleo? 16 pounds. 16 pounds? 3.5 weeks, 16 pounds. And we've been eating, let's see, things like roast pork, roast chicken, salmon. Let's see, what else have we been? Some steaks, like beef and stuff. And once in a while we cheat. Like last night we did cheat last night. We rewarded ourselves for hard work and effort. And he had one ice cream sandwich.
No, that wasn't it.
What?
That chocolate bar I bought you.
I haven't even ate that chocolate bar.
I was up till 2 o'clock editing video.
We do allow for cheating because we believe that if you can't cheat, you may not succeed. So you always have to be able to, after a week or 2 weeks, you need to reward yourself or be able to cheat. Don't live in such strict, rigid. You'll burn out faster if you're overly strict with yourself. And it's all about lifestyle, and it's not an unhealthy lifestyle to indulge once in a while in a dessert or a special meal. Like last night I did make a Szechuan noodle dish. Yeah, we really cheated for dinner last night. But in my defense, yeah, so he was probably craving after he had those noodles. Yeah, he's about to go cook his breakfast. But I played tennis yesterday, so I did exert. I played tennis for 2 hours, so I did exert a lot of energy that I needed carbs for, and I went out there and tried to do it just on the fruit and the low carbs that come in fruit and vegetables. And I was lacking focus because I didn't have enough energy yet. And that could be also because maybe I'm not absorbing all the vitamins and minerals good yet. We've been taking magnesium to help with that.
We're also drinking AG1, a couple drops of vitamin D, and omega-3 tablets. Yesterday and the day before I did almost nothing because I was so wore out from the previous 3 days of cutting this. But I did cut the grass yesterday. Looks good. I like the look of fresh cut grass, so I did do that yesterday. Alright, I'm gonna go inside, cook breakfast.
Okie dokie. I'm gonna work on getting the rest of these little bits of, sorry about that. I was off camera talking to a visitor who stopped by and wanted to ask me what I was doing, and then she mentioned she had Bermuda grass and if I thought spraying Roundup would hurt the pollinators and things like that. I'm not, I don't know a lot about Roundup. I try not to use it like it's used sparingly, just because you just don't know what it does and how long it lasts in the soil. And I know that if you spray Roundup to kill grass, you can't plant in it for about a year. So that's one of the biggest reasons I don't use it. Breakfast. Oh, yummy. Okay, I will be back. I'm coming. I'll be back. But if you know a way of killing grass from getting into your flower beds, I told her, because I use vinegar. But if you have another idea, please leave it in the comment section. I would really appreciate it because I'm actually at a loss for that myself. Let's see if I can. Huh?
Did you eat one?
Mm,
You didn't have that chicken salad?
I had a couple bites of it.